Oh, we got strawberries. See? Strawberries. Look how big that is. Oh, and there's more in here. You have to pull the plant back to see them. But they're in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I have got to get out here. Oh, we got strawberries. I gotta go get a bowl. Say hi, YouTube. He waved. All right, y'all. I gotta get out here because this bed's got some too. I'll be right back, y'all. I'll show you how many I get. This is all the strawberries I got today. Not very many, but boy, are they good. I already ate a couple. Anyway, gonna make some strawberry. My husband likes lemon cake with his, and then I do a lemon frosting, zest frosting, a little powdered sugar. Well, for his cake, and he likes it with ice cream. Look who's in the house. This is Morris. He's tame, but he hasn't been fixed yet. But he gets along. And I let him stay on this thing here, because he used to be outdoor furniture. So, say hi to YouTube, Morris. Morris. Now here's Ian. Here's Ian. They get along great. And I do keep the shots up on my cat, so y'all don't worry. And this one's gonna get fixed. He don't know it yet, but he's gonna be neutered, because we don't want him getting in more fights, do we? Yes. That's your new brother, isn't it, Ian? Yes, it is. See if I can get him to sleep over here. See? Him sleeping away with the light on. Okay, y'all. That is it for this video. Bye, y'all. Hope everyone has a good day. No. Don't chew on that. I've already duct taped it on the legs, trying to keep them from chewing on it. I don't want them chewing it up. I didn't want to buy furniture for in here yet, because we're going to do something different than carpet on these floors one day. Who wants a house? I might drag furniture from next door. Okay, y'all. We talk to you later. And he's sweet. Whoever had him first took care of him, I guess, as a kitten, because he's tame around people. Okay, y'all. Bye. Yin? Where'd you go, Yin? I don't know. Okay, bye, y'all.